how do we take what we already know and how do we do something better with it?
Your bathroom and kitchen areas in a building, usually what takes the longest in the construction process. You can speed that up by prefabbing them before your structure's even ready.
It was an eye-opening experience to see how quickly and efficiently that we could make this stuff happen.
Prefabrication is just the next follow-up we found through the ability to use technology, to be able to collaborate with other trades.
At the Dell Children's Hospital, we did both patient room head wall units and the patient bathroom pods. We actually built a framing table in our Austin office. There was a template made for each panel, which laid into the table so that all the wall panels were built identical. The walls were stood up, screwed together, and then so that makes the unit. They're transported over to the mechanical contractor's shop where they do their work. And usually the electricians will go to the mechanical contractor shop and install their work.
They then ship it here, it's back in our hands. We roll it onto the slab and set it in place, fasten it to the floor, and it's pretty much a done deal after that. With the head wall fabrication, it's a little simpler. We don't hang sheetrock on it prior to shipping it.
Plumbing and electrical components are installed in them and they get delivered to the job site. On the job site, there's an opening left in the wall that they go in.
And we just bolt them into place, and then they're good to go.
For all this to happen, it needs to start early so that everything can be coordinated and worked out. It was all done GoToMeeting online, so I was here in Dallas and mechanical guys were in Austin and electricians were in Austin as well. And everybody met online once a week and we discussed things that we had to do and things that needed to be changed to fit.
Everything was modeled in 3D. They brought it together, they spaced the studs, they came up with solutions that we hadn't thought of.
We're building these things often in different locations. When we bring it all together, we've already built it per their specification.
We had a unique situation here where we're copying 2 existing bed towers, so the architectural elements were already set. And so having Baker aboard when we had them come onto the project was essential to us, and their expertise helped us take an existing predetermined architectural layout and set it up so that we could actually prefabricate it.
When we started looking at prefabrication, you're looking at building things off-site to where they can have the moving dirt around and pouring concrete while some of the interior is actually being constructed. It also provides a better quality product.
There's a lot more oversight when you can build it in a controlled facility in the same place every time.
You cannot duplicate the quality on site that you can duplicate in a manufacturer type facility.
From a production standpoint, we recognize a 54% reduction in labor based on what we originally priced compared to what we actually spent to put together the product. And that was a significant savings. We're able to do it in an assembly line fashion, building it in panels and putting it together in a controlled environment.
Been able to pre-punch, pre-test all of these pods off-site prior to installation.
And it was an excellent experience because you could see the pods coming out to the job site, the head walls being delivered, and the ones that we field built were caught up a month later. And so you could just see the efficiency out here at the job site. It was just amazing to bring them in and have an already finished product that we're tying into. And so it was real exciting, and the owner walks through our building and just sees all the progress in a short amount of time.
What we look at is how can we do it better? How can we do it safer? How can we do it leaner?
We're not thinking about their workflow like they are, and for them to embrace those strategies and come up with techniques to improve it was really beneficial to us, and we'll see those benefits on future projects when we do the same types of strategies.
The technology has really opened up an avenue for us to really think for the first time completely out of the box.